Whoops, folks, I almost forgot about the thermal compound. You got to put that stuff on there, man. Arctic Silver Pro 5 is what I use. I just put a little blob on there. Seeing as how it's an Intel chip, I guess it's safe to do it like that. I have no idea. But anyhow, we're going to throw this cooler on, and then we'll be back. Set it right down on there and see if she lines up. Look, you're off the screw holes.
Yes, I see that.
Here, watch yourself. Right there. Right there.
Oh, you're off a little bit. Over that, towards you.
Towards me?
Oh.
There it goes. All right.
Went right down on there.
There it is. All right. Now, all you got to do now, folks, is tighten them 4 screws down a little bit. And then I got to throw the fan on. So, we'll be back once the fan's on, then we'll show you through the RAM process.